It's part 7 of the Haitian bakery series, where we're baking and making some of the goodies that you would find in a Haitian bakery. Let's make some akasan, which is essentially a sweet, drinkable corn porridge. Here's a detailed recipe, so make sure you save this video for later. Starting off with a few cups of broken corn, covered and soaking in hot water. And allow this to soak overnight, but no more than 3 days in the refrigerator. The corn should appear softer and hydrated. Now rinse the corn a couple of times, and then blend on medium speed with new water. And blend until the consistency is milky. Now it's time to strain. Now you can use a cheesecloth to separate the liquid, or you can use a strainer. The point of this step is to separate the liquid from the corn residue. Now allow all this liquid to sit for at least 20 minutes. The liquid and starch, also known as amidon, should separate. Pour out the liquid at the top, but save the starch because this is what we'll need to make the akasan. On low to medium heat in a pot, add cinnamon sticks, star anise, and the rind of a lime, and some salt, and bring it to a boil. Then slowly add in the cornstarch. Allow the cornstarch to melt into the water, and then bring it to another boil. Then add in the cinnamon powder, nutmeg, almond, and vanilla essence. Stir well, and then add in the condensed milk. But adding milk is optional. Last but not least, add in the sugar. Then turn off the heat and give it a taste. And if you like it, it's ready. And one thing to note, cooking on higher heat means the thicker the akasan. For a more liquid result, add more milk. Now enjoy this with the Haitian bread that we made in part 1 of this series. And in the end, you should have something that looks like this.